Welcome back to WYMP 18, here to provide you with the latest news. Are you interested in studio production, journalism, or just looking for something fun to do over February vacation? If so, you're in luck. Medfield TV will be offering a new youth media program on February 20th to the 23rd, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m.
That's right. This 4-day program, Media Literacy Through TV Production, is offered for ages 11 through 14. Students will create a TV news broadcast in a professional TV studio using various studio components such as green screens, teleprompters, and video switchers. Media Literacy Through TV Production is supported by Medfield Outreach. During this class, prevention coordinators will teach students about the importance of media literacy in a world saturated with information, which will help them research news stories and write their scripts. Registration is currently open until Thursday, February 15th at 11:59 p.m. No previous experience is necessary. Make sure to register while seats are available. You can visit Medfield TV's website for more information. Medfield TV looks forward to you joining them in their studio at 18 North Meadows Road. Coming up next, discover how young, budding video editors can learn how to edit like the professionals with Medfield TV's youth media program, Self-Care Through Video Editing.